What is soil pollution? Soil pollution comprises the pollution of soils with materials, mostly chemicals, that are out of place or are present at concentrations higher than normal, which may have adverse effects on humans or other organisms. We tend to look skywards when talking about pollution, but this problem is not confined to our skies. The soil which our fruit and vegetables grow is also suffering its consequences and the effects of which getting to us directly. Following are the causes of soil pollution. First, the redundant, ever increasing use of chemicals. Next, agriculture runoff waters, industrial waste materials, acidic precipitates, and radioactive contamination. Beneath our feet lurks in a hidden danger, soil pollution. Soil pollution can be invisible and seems far away, but everyone is affected. It is a worldwide problem which degrades our soils, poisons the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe, posing a serious risk to food security, human health, and the environment. Soil have great potential to filter and buffer contaminants, degrading and attenuating the negative effects of pollutants, but this capacity is finite. Most of the pollutants originate from human activities, such as unsustainable farming practices, industrial activities, and mining, untreated urban waste, and non-environmental friendly practices. Did you know that 95% of our food is directly or indirectly produced in our soils, but years of human activities and habits have left a legacy of polluted soils worldwide? The health of our soils affect the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, and the health of all organisms on the planet, as I've said a while ago. But not everything is lost. Small changes in our lives can have a big impact on the health of our soils. So, here are the 7 simple ways for anyone to be the solution to soil pollution. First, inappropriate disposal of hazardous waste can cause the release of contaminant into our soils. Therefore, we must dispose our hazardous waste such as batteries and medicines responsibly. Second, 1/3 of plastic we produce ends up in our soils. Therefore, we must avoid single-use plastic and improve our health recycling habits. Third, over 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year. So, we must think twice before buying new electric devices. Next is, up to half of our shopping consists of packaging. So, we must opt to use for eco-friendly and reusable packaging when shopping. Fifth, household chemicals ends up in soils, and as a result, in our foods. We must choose eco-friendly gardening, cleaning, and personal care products. Next, up to 1/2 of our households' waste is organic but ends up in landfills. So we must compose our food waste and help nurture soils. And lastly, 1/5 of the raw materials used for producing new products is wasted. So we must reuse, recycle, or donate common household items and give them a second life. We should always remember that a nation that destroys its soil destroys itself, by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Together, we can stop soil pollution. Now it is the time to fight soil pollution. Once again, let us be the solution to soil pollution.